So here we have a list of numbers, and it says use the following data to answer the questions below, and they're all questions about the location of the data, where it is. So there's different things we can use to locate the data: the minimum, the maximum, the median, the mean, and the mode. And so when we look at these numbers, there it goes 12, 24, 13, 15. So we see they're not like in any particular order. So it's useful to list the data in order from smallest to largest or largest to smallest. Then it becomes pretty obvious that the minimum, then the smallest value is 7, seen there at the top when they're listed in order. And then at the bottom we can see the maximum value is 45. And then if we count in from the ends, and we can begin to see we can see where the middle, the median value, is just by ticking them off as we go. And when we do that, we just count in, and then we see that the middle value is 17, and then that becomes the median. And then for the mean, we just have to we add them all up, and you find out that when you add them up you get 228, and then there's 11 numbers in the list, so we divide the 228 by 11 and we get 20.73 for the mean. And then the mode is the most common value, and when we look at the list we see that there's 2 13s here, and there aren't 2 of any other number, so then the mode is 13. Moving on to the next question here, which is very similar, just a different set of data. Again, we can just list the values from smallest to largest, and then we can see clearly that the minimum value is 3.4. The maximum value down here is 9. The median, or the middle value in this case, isn't actually in the data set, so we kind of cross them off from the ends, and then we're left, so we've crossed 3 off the bottom, 3 off the top, we're left 2 in the middle. So then the average of these two is what the median is. In this case, halfway between 5.2 and 5.6 is 5.4. And then for the mean, we just we add them all up. We get 48.1. We see that there are 8 numbers in the list, and 48.1 divided by 8 gives us 6.0125. And then finally the mode, since no value occurs more than once, the mode doesn't exist. So we could write NA here, or just leave it blank and got credit for that.